everyone, welcome to Casey Zhang piano lesson number 4. Now today we're going to start with our hand posture. Are you ready? Let's put both our hands on the cover of the pianos, or you can do it on the table. Make sure your 5 finger is relaxed and your shoulder is dropping down, sitting nice and straight, back straight and sitting tall. Now we're going to have a look at our hands. Put a finger lay on the cover and hold them up. You can see your hands is building a little house. The house has a pointing roof. Those are your knuckles. Make sure you can see them. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have a little house, make sure your hands is nice and steady. They are not falling. Sometimes when we have a bad weather, the house will collapse. Can you make your house collapse? Those knuckles are dropping down. And now we're going to fix the house by pulling the knuckles out. One more time. House falling and house rebuild. One more time. House falling, house rebuild. Can you move your elbows? Can you swing them side to side? Make sure your little house are strong and sounded. Very good. Now, let's have a look at our finger exercise. Do you remember? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5. Now let's put our fingertips on the piano. Now, can you watch me lifting the thumb up? Go nice and slow. Hold it as high as you can. When you drop your thumb, I want you to lift the other 4 fingers up. Ready? Swap. Like a seesaw. Now let's drop our 4 fingers down and lift the number 1. One more time. Drop, swap, and drop, swap. Now let's go a bit faster. 1, 4. 1, 4. When you say 1, you drop your thumb. When you say 4, you can lift your 4 fingers up. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well done. Now I made a finger exercise sheet. It's very simple. You can do this on your own. I made them like a 3 parts. Each part I have 2 numbers. That means the finger number. Now I draw some circles around those numbers to make them like 2 rows, slightly different in height. You can make this on your own, or you can message me. I can email you the sheets. Very simple. When you have the sheets, you can put them on the table or on the piano. The number means the finger that we're going to use. So the first column is 1 and 2. I want you to put your thumb, the fingertips on the circle. Keep the other fingers up, balancing up, and then put a number 2 on the circle. Swap with number 1. Let's try one more time. 1 and swap to 2. 1 and swap to 2. Now we can follow the number and walk all the way to the top. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now the second column is finger number 2 and finger number 3. We'll do the same. Make sure you only put 1 finger down. Now finger number 2, and keep the other fingers up, balancing them up. Now we're going to swap with the finger 3. 3. Did you swap? Make sure you take your number 2 off and then swap with 3. Swap, swap, swap. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. It feels like we're using 2 fingers to walk on the pianos. The last one is the 3 and 4. So we do the same. put the number 3 down, then swap with 4. Put 3 down, swap with 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Make sure the finger is very independent and your hand is steady. In the class, we let the students standing up and we walk around the table with the finger, like a walking finger. So if you have a piano, you can try on the piano without the sheet. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. When you're lifting your finger high, make sure they are curved, they are not sticking out. And when you're tapping on the pianos, you can hear your finger is making the tapping tone. Use your strong finger, walk like a little soldier. After you do your right hand, you can try your left hand. Very simple. Now, we're gonna try to walking on the pianos. First, if you have a little ones, you can stand up, let them walk side to side on the piano keys. Alright, let's start from finger number 1 and 2. So number 1 can starting on any white keys. Then the number 2 moving to the next key. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. Then we can swap 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and so on. You can try 3, 4. Now 4, 5 is a little bit tricky, so we might do it later. After your right hand, you can turn around, actually going down this way, using your finger 2, 3, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Alright, that's our finger exercise today. Now we're gonna have a look. The music score. Today we introduce the music stave, or in American they call it staff. They're all talking about the 5 long lines. In music, we use 5 lines and create 4 spaces to put the music notes in. You can see I draw some circles. Those circles are the music notes. Now on the side, you can see like a violin, or someone say like a guitar. This is called the triple clef. Triple clef is mainly for the middle range of the keys, also the right side, the high pitch of the music notes. We also have another one called the bass clef, and that's mostly for the middle range and lower range of the piano. That's mostly for our left hands. So today we're only focusing on triple clef, so triple stave. Now first, let's have a look at how the notes moving on the music stuff. So first note is quite special. We call this middle C. Can you find your middle C? Do you remember how to find the C? Here, so we're looking for 2 black keys. 2 black keys, the left side, one go left down on the white key, that's your C. If you're counting on the piano, the 4th C from the left, that's your middle C. Let's find the first one. 2 black keys on the left, C. 2 black keys on the left, C, C2. 2 black keys on the left, C3. 2 black keys on the left, that's your C4. That's the middle C. Middle C has own line, we call the ledger line. The circle is drawn through that little ledger line. We're gonna put a yellow color gem on it. That's the C. Next to C is a D. D is on the right side of the C. We can see that D is hanging down on the first line. Now the next note is actually writing on the line, crossing the line. So we call them a line notes. How many line notes are there? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line notes. Can you find them on the pianos? When we do the line notes, they are not actually next to each other. They always skip a note. I'm going to use the red gem. I got 5 line notes. Let's find them on the piano. The first line note, if we look at the second line, we know where middle C is. The first line is E. C, D, E. The first line note, skip the D and go to the next note. So C is here, skip the middle one, and that's your first line note, E. The second line note is G. E, we skip F, and next one is G. Now the next line note, the third line note, we're looking at this note. This is a B. B is skip A. The next key is B. The fourth line is D. So B is here, skip C, and then D is on the right. We can see the line notes are skipping on the white keys. Now the last one, the highest one on the triple clef, this is the F. The second highest one, D, is on here on the fourth line. We're going to skip E and moving one key to the right. So all the line notes that we have, E, G, B, D, F. You can see them skipping some of the white keys, and when we write the line note, you can see they are line by line by line. E, G, B, D, F. Do you know the downwards? F, D, B, G, E. And this is our special one, middle C. Now, we also have some space that we need to fill in. Today, I got 4 colors of blue gem. Now, we're going to find only 4 space notes, because some of the notes, even they are the space notes, but they are not actually in the middle of the 5 lines. So today, we'll only look at 4 spaces. Space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4. These 4 notes are, first note, F. Do you remember where F is? F is between the E and G. So F is here. And then A. A is between the G and the B. Third one, C. C is between the B and D. And then the last one is E. That's all the space notes. So today, we're learning about middle C, 5 line notes, E, G, B, D, F. And then 4 space notes, this 4, F, A, C, E. The next lesson, we're going to have a very special phrase to help all the young students memorize how to recognize the line notes and the space notes. But today, I want you to go home and find those 9 notes, or actually 10 notes on your piano. Remember, start from middle C and 5 line notes and 4 space notes. Alright, that's all the music theory part. Now we're gonna do some songs. First, we go through our I love coffee, I love tea. Are you ready? We're gonna starting from the 2 black keys, first part. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, black, white, black, today we're gonna learn another part of I love coffee, I love tea. Now this time we're gonna use our finger 2 and finger 3. Now I want you to hold your 3 down, bend it. Find the second group of 3 black keys. On the left side, we're gonna put your number 3 on it. And then drop on number 2. Play the white key that's next to it. Now the sounds like this. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. We play 7 notes starting from the black keys. One more time. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Then move your number 3 to the middle of the 3 black keys and put your number 2 down. Play the same pattern. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now the next one, we're going to look for the 2 white keys that between the 2 and the 3 black keys. That's the middle one. We have E and F. Now again, we're going to start from number 3, F, E, F, E, F, E, F. Then it's the ending. Black, white, black, skip, 1, 2, 3. Right, now I'm gonna play the new part in concert ready speed. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black. White, 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 white. Black, white, black, skip, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now that's the 4th part that we learned for I love coffee, I love tea. Now your homework is practicing all 4 parts. All for today. See you next time.